Best thing about this automatic curling iron is that you don't have to work. You're basically letting your iron do the work for you as it spins on its own. Take a look. So easy to use, and the curl comes out in seconds. You don't even have to leave it on there long. Go ahead and hit that center, grab your hair and twist. Look at that. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Wavytalk Rotating Curling Iron. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company. They went ahead and sent me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So today I'm going to be unboxing and using this product. So let's get started and let's take a look and see how it works. First impressions, this is a rose gold barrel, right? So I'm taking everything out of the box. It does come with 2 clips. It also comes with a heat protectant glove that you could go ahead and use as you are styling your hair. And this is what the curling iron looks like. Very, very nice. It is actually pretty lightweight, but take a look. So from what I could see, first impressions, again, it has a small little clipper here. This is going to be the little clip that's going to go ahead and grasp your hair as it rotates. It does have 2 arrows going side to side, so you could see. So this is going to be the rotation and the side that the barrel is going to turn towards. It does have this release button, so this is going to go ahead and allow this to come back to the middle. So it's kind of like a reset option. I still have not turned it on, but this is an LED screen. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Starts at 280 degrees Fahrenheit, and it goes all the way up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. And it does have a plus and minus right here. So it's going to go ahead and allow you to adjust that temperature. And then right here down at the bottom, it does have the power option. So that's what's going to go ahead and turn it on. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in, turned on, and then let's test it out. I went ahead and plugged it in. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Automatically starts off the curling iron at the 280 mark. As you can see, it is currently blinking, but I do want to go ahead and put up the temperature. I'm going to go ahead and put it at the highest setting. I'm not sure if it's going to stop blinking once it is ready, so we'll go ahead and wait and see if it's going to stop blinking once it's ready for use. I briefly touched it and I could already feel that this is starting to heat up very quickly. You can see it is still blinking, but as it is heating up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to go ahead and briefly show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and press on one of the arrows and see how it works as it rotates without me putting my hair in this first. Okay, so it's very quiet. It is not loud. Take a look. So if in case the barrel does land on the side, again, it does have a reset right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press on that. And it resets your curling iron back to its setting position. And once you release it, it actually, as you can see, it immediately reacts to me pressing down. And when I release, it immediately stops. So again, you just press the middle and it'll go back home. We could see here it stopped blinking, so that means the curling iron is ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and curl half of my hair just so we could see the difference. I'm going to go ahead and just tie one side of my hair so I could go ahead and work with the left side of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and use these as I style my hair. Glide it, put it at the bottom, and spin. Leave it on there for a few seconds and release. I'm gonna grab how effortlessly that is. Take a look how fast that was. It was super easy. Just clamp your hair and turn. Look at that. How easy is that? So it's minimal effort. It auto rotates. If you have a hard time curling your hair, you don't have the time for it, this is so easy to curl. Look at that. Look at those nice bouncy curls. So depending on the side that you like to curl, whether you like to curl it backwards or forwards, or if you want to mix and match, it is so simple. You just have to press on the arrow depending on the direction that you want your hair to curl. I do like that the curling iron does have a steady pace, so you get an even distribution of the heat throughout the hair. It is the same pace and it is actually manageable, so it's not going super fast where you cannot control. The automatic curling iron is nice and easy to control. This automatic curling iron does have a total of 5 different heat settings. I definitely love how user-friendly this is, especially if it's your first time curling, you have a hard time curling. It is so easy to use. You simply just want to go ahead and put your hair in this little clamp. Go ahead and drag it down, press on the arrow, and take a look, just like that. Hold for a little bit. You do want to stop before it gets all the way towards your scalp, but just let it go and it immediately stops. So I do like the reaction time of the curling iron. But look at that. Look at these nice bouncy curls. Again, maybe if you're a beginner, I personally don't use the heat protecting glove, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It is actually pretty thin, so it's not too bulky, especially when you're using the curling iron. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on and show you how to use it, especially when you're getting really close to the barrel, just to go ahead and put it in between the clamps. It can get a little hot, so if you want, make sure to add the glove on. And as you can see, even though you get close to it, it is a heat protecting glove. So it's going to protect your hand from getting burned in the process. As you can see, I'm touching it and my hand is protected. This is perfect if you're someone that likes to do your hair, but sometimes you just don't have enough time to curl it, or curling just seems so hard. Check it out. I get about an inch of hair. So depending on how much hair you want to put in the clamp, I love that it curls my hair so quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down and give you a comparison. This is what my hair looks like. And this is the other half. Look at how quick it was. Beautiful curls. I do like running my fingers through my hair to go ahead and loosen up the curl, but take a look. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the other side of my hair, and then I'm going to come back for my final verdict. Here I'm doing a quick time lapse of me doing the right side of my hair. Again, this was so simple, very easy. The process was quick, and here is the final review. All right, I am finally done at curling my full head of hair, and check it out. I absolutely love the waves. It was so easy to use. Again, this is perfect if you are a beginner. One of my favorite options was the reset key. So you can see it is not centered. You just simply have to press that and it automatically turns to the center. How easily the keys were as soon as you release. Check it out. It was quiet. It was flawless. If you want to check out this curling iron, I'm going to go ahead and drop that link for you in the comments. Also, if you like this video, make sure to like and follow. Let me know what kind of hairstyles you want to see. If you've already tried it, if you want to see other different hair tools, I would be more than glad to try these out. I absolutely love making videos like this, trying out, first impression, unboxing. But overall, if you're looking for an automatic curling iron that is reliable, it is so easy to use, and it heats up quickly, then I would definitely recommend.